Hi, my name is Kelvin Omoko. I welcome you to Microsoft Word 2019 Essential Training in Nigerian Pidgin. For this course, you will learn the history of Microsoft Word from version 1.0 till as at when I record this course. I will teach you all the tools and commands inside Microsoft Word 2019. I will teach you how you go take sabi create, save, open, edit, format, create numbers and bullet list inside Microsoft Word 2019. I will teach you how you go take sabi create tables, columns and rows. You will learn how to add pictures and shapes inside your document wey go make your work look fine for eyes. I will teach you how you go take share your documents with your team members for office with OneDrive, email and through other ways. You go learn how to use proofreading tools to sabi to check spelling and grammar mistakes for inside Microsoft Word 2019, even how to sabi count words. Alright, the last thing wey I go teach you for Microsoft Word 2019 na for you to sabi create message wey you go fit use to send one letter to plenty people at the same time.